Pertussis, better known as whooping cough, is an acute illness caused by the Bordetella pertussis bacterium. It is spread by droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes, or through direct contact with the secretions from the nose or people's hands. The illness begins with an occasional irritating cough that gradually becomes paroxysmal, with cough after cough after cough, and the child becomes more and more short of breath to the extent where they become initially red and then blue in the face, and they have a sharp intake of breath called a whoop, and then they often vomit as well.
Whooping cough. Killed our daughter Dana. She contracted it before 4 weeks of age, and she died in Brisbane Hospital.
I'd say whooping cough has devastated our family, that it seems to have just come out of nowhere, and we had a very healthy, beautiful little baby for 4 weeks. And then after 5 days in hospital, we had a dead daughter. And for us, it has been a journey of shock about what this disease can do. And I think the most heartbreaking thing for us has been that it is easily preventable, and we never got that chance to protect her.
Huh?
Any wise words for your third born?
Don't date till you're 30.
She was born perfectly healthy, full term. We brought her home, and she was a very healthy little baby, feeding well.
Putting on weight.
Putting on weight, and had 2 very excited older siblings and a loving family around her. We do not know how she caught it, and it, haunts us on a daily basis. We saw the ferocity of the cough, how violent it was, how every part of her body was shuddering with it. For us, being in that intensive care room, seeing 15 medical staff trying desperately to save our child, but knowing that there was really not much they could do, that's when we started thinking, well, why don't people know that this is what something called whooping cough can actually do? Why don't people know how vaccination works? Why don't adults know that they need a booster?
Unfortunately, whooping cough and all the issues related to it was something we were not aware of until she died.
The McCafferys were devastated by whooping cough. They've now gone and learnt all they can about the disease and about how it can be prevented. And they're actively promoting through government and through communities the prevention of this disease through active immunisation of children and adults.